Hi, what we're going to do now is customize the header of your WordPress.com site. Again, we're using Windows 7 and the Chrome browser, and the date is approximately February 2016. First thing though, be sure you're logged into WordPress.com. You've got your account all set up. You've already have a site going. You've selected a theme. In this case, I'm using 2016. And you have a nice header image prepared that you want to use for your site. Now, it's really important that whatever image you use is cropped or the right size for your particular purpose. And it's a good idea to go on the site, go on to the WordPress, and look at the theme, and check how large an image that they would prefer. And it's a good idea to get your image and crop it so it fits in that space. It's better that you crop it than have WordPress crop it, because you're in control if you do it. Okay, I use a program called Paint.net, which is very good. It's free. You can download it. It's a good program. There's also a lot of other programs that you could use for this purpose. And basically what you want to do is make sure you find out what the dimensions are, the preferred dimensions. In this case, for our particular theme, they want a horizontal dimension of 1200 pixels and vertical dimension of 280 pixels. So that's what I did. I picked a nice picture that was much larger than that, and I cropped it down to a 1200 by 280 image. Okay, here we go. Now we're back into WordPress, and it's a pretty simple site here, as I mentioned. There's no, I was using the 2016 theme, but there's no images and there's very little text. So what we're going to do is fix it up. The first thing, as always, is go up to the My Sites button up in the upper left. That brings up the main menu here. And we'll go down here, and we've already chose the theme. So we hit the button that says Customize. We're going to customize our theme. Okay, and first thing we'll do here is fix the header image. So we'll click there, and what we want to do is get an image. Now, fortunately, we have an image. I'm going to go down here and click in the Windows Explorer button down here in the taskbar. It's going to show me all the files on my system. And if I go in here and click on the Pictures group here in the libraries of Windows Explorer, see what kind of pictures I have, and sure enough, I have some interesting pictures here. And all you need to do is just hover your pointer over a particular image, and it'll tell you some information about it. For example, this one, it says that the dimensions are, well, 1200 by 280, exactly what we want, because I sized it that way. So that's the image we're going to use. Let's go back into our website here. And what we want to do is, we're here, we're going to add a new image. We're going to click Add a New Image. Okay, remember how I got here? I got header image, and here, and what I'm going to do right now, just click on this button here, Add New Image. Okay, and there's no images yet in our media library at WordPress, so we're going to add some. I'm going to click the button that says Select File, which takes us out to the pictures library. Sure enough, there's our pictures. Here's the header that I want to use. Click on it, click Open, and it uploads. Okay, and it's selected there because we just uploaded it. And I can put a caption in here and a description, but I don't need to. I can just click on the next button, which is Select and Crop. Now here I have a chance to crop the picture, but I already know it's the exact size that's needed, so I don't need to crop it. So I'm going to just skip cropping and go right into the image. And there, it places the image at the top of my website, which looks very good, fits pretty nice actually. They did a good job estimating what the size should be, and it works pretty good. So all we need to do now is go up in the upper left and click Save and Publish, which will save it and put it up on the website so everybody can see it. Okay, that seems to be done. So now I can just click the arrow to take me back to the main menu. And now what I'll do is I'll fix up the title and tagline of our website. Okay, the title basically takes the name that we chose as a domain name, which is okay, but let's make it a little better. I'm going to make up a little company here. We'll call it the Cas Cobb History Museum. There's no such organization, but it sounds pretty neat. And we'll put a little tagline here. We'll say everything is history. Okay, good. And just to show you what a logo might look like, I would normally not use one, but we'll use one anyway. We'll go here, click on the Add Logo button. Okay, we don't have any logos here, but there is a file that's in our Pictures folder, which looks pretty good. Go here, click on Select Files, and here's our logo here. And this one I've labeled that it's 100 pixels across, which is a good size for a logo, so we'll just click on that, click Open. Okay, good. So we have a new file that's been uploaded to our media library in WordPress. And I'll just click the button here, which is Set as Logo, to see what it looks like. So there it is there. In this theme, it puts the logo right above the title of the site, and that looks pretty good. Again, normally I would not do it, but this is just for demonstration purposes. Up here, I'm going to click the button that says Save and Publish so we can see what it looks like. It's been saved. Now I'll click on the little arrow to go back to my main menu or to my customization menu. And just to go through the other customizations I could do, there's some custom design, colors and backgrounds, fonts, and things like that. And menus here, but we'll do menus a little bit later. Let's go back and close down this and go back to our main menu like so. Here's the website. Okay, it looks pretty nice, but now let's click on the back and we'll go back and take a look at our menu there. Okay, so that's it for fixing up the header of our website. In the future lessons, we'll start adding blogs and adding pages and a menu to our website.